welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making pickled Karela with lime juice. I have the Karela in here and I'm gonna just show you how I will cut the Karela. And I'm cutting them big because you don't want them to melt in the lime juice. And this is so good with any vegetable or fish. And my mom is cutting the pepper for me. She's removing the seeds. Here I have the lime juice, which I squeezed and strained. The first thing I'm going to do is to add the peppers. I already crushed the garlic and I have the hot peppers in here. And the next thing I'm going to do is add 1 onion. So we'll cut the onion. Now I'll add some salt. I already add salt to my lime juice, so I don't need a lot of salt. And this is done. We're going to add it to the jar. And you have to make sure you put this in the sun for about 2 weeks. Going to pour the lime juice. And that is done. Make sure the Karela and the onion is under the lime juice. Juice. It's done. It's done. Here is my pickled Karela in lime juice. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Making pickled Karela, and this is my dad's recipe. This is the one with vinegar. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut the Karela, and you need to cut the Karela big because you don't want the Karela to melt. Going to add 1 large onion, and this one we're not going to put garlic because if you put garlic it's going to turn blue. We need is our hot peppers and salt. Add the vinegar here. So first thing I'm going to do is to mix this up and add to my jar. The vinegar, and that is done. And all you need to do is to leave this in the sun for about 2 weeks and it will be ready to eat. Here is my pickled Karela in vinegar. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.